All plugged in. Here's a clean signal, neck pickup. Middle. And the bridge. Volume knob up and down. See if I can get it to hum at all. Here's a little bit in there. Same with the tone. A lot of gain, more moderate. High up on the neck. Acoustically, very loud. A lot of fun to play.